How about that? We are still tracking hot weather and storms throughout your afternoon. Folks, we are looking at a heat index. That's the ambient temperature combined with humidity of 100 to 105 degrees this afternoon. So that's sweltering heat taking over Northeast Ohio once again as the moisture's in place. Some of those storms possibly could go to severe status once again. Temperatures across the board: Norwalk 77, Lake County upper 70s, so most spots this morning near 80 degrees. Where is this moisture coming from? It is tropical moisture. We have flood concerns across New Orleans this morning. They are dealing with just a lot of rainfall, and some of this moisture is lifting to the north, and that's why we've been dealing with these just pop-up storms throughout the last 3 days. We are also tracking a cold front that's going to mix in with that tropical moisture for your Saturday afternoon, and this will allow for, unfortunately, a washout Saturday. And as the front continues to move through, we'll track more wet weather for your Sunday afternoon. So futurecast for today: we're dry right now for most of the morning, just a little bit of cloud coverage. By the noon hour, we start to see some storms making its way to Portage County, southern portions of Summit County, sagging more to the south. Throughout your evening commute, the storms will continue to roll through as daytime highs still in the lower 90s. Things sort of calm down throughout your overnight. Around 4 a.m. tomorrow morning, we'll start to see the front move through, allowing for those storms to spark up once again. So accumulation totals throughout the last 48 hours, over an inch of accumulation. We'll pick up another dose of rain this afternoon, 51/100ths of an inch, so closer to an inch of rain for greater Cleveland, up to 2 inches for Wayne County. So expect a little bit of minor flooding. We'll definitely be tracking that. Today, 91 degrees. Tonight, still toasty temperatures, upper 70s. Kristen?
All right, thanks so much, Janessa.